Hi everyone, welcome again to my YouTube channel Life with Style. How are you guys? Hope so you are all doing well in your lives and are very happy in your journey of your life. So dear viewers, warmly welcome to my YouTube channel. So dear viewers, today this video has become very amazing and very stunning because today you can see by my channel and by this video the transformation of your whole personality before and after looks after complete transformations, where we are about to take you on a journey that will leave you absolutely amazed. In today's video, I will be showcasing some mind-blowing hair transformation that will leave you speechless. So dear viewers, stay with me till end, and I suggested you to watch my video till end and subscribe my channel. So dear viewers, from dull and lifeless to stunning and vibrant, you will not believe the incredible before and after looks we have in store for you. So dear viewers, don't forget to like this video, subscribe my channel and hit that notification bell so you never miss another hair transformation masterpieces. Share this video with your friends who appreciate the art of the beauty, and let us know in the comments which transformation left you the most mesmerized. So dear viewers, now let's dive into the world of hair magic and witnesses this truly mind-blowing transformation by my channel Life with Style and today's video. So dear viewers, prepare to be astonished as I unveil these incredible before and after looks. Whether you are seeking inspiration for your next hair transformation or simply love the artistry of the hair styling, this video is for you. Get ready to be wowed by the power of hair transformation. So enjoy my video and comment me today's video. How is the video inspiration? So dear viewers, by this video I will introduce you to your wonderful ideas about hair transformation. You will hear and you can see very trendy and very stylish haircut and hairstyle by this video. So enjoy my video till end and also comment me because your comments are very valuable for me. Take care, keep watching.